The government of Jamaica advancing the age vehicle policy to boost the public transportation sector, which will see vehicles over 5 years old can now be imported into the island. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Ministry of Science, Energy, Telecommunication and Transport is well advanced in re-implementing an age vehicle policy to facilitate the importation of 10-year-old cars and 15 years to 20 years old buses for use in the public transportation sector. Portfolio Minister Honorable Daryl Vaz said that this will aid public passenger vehicles PPV operators in replenishing their fleets. This will allow for PPV operators to benefit directly by ordering vehicles directly from overseas, importing the vehicles through a registered dealer, or buying the vehicles off a lot from a pre-authorized dealer, he explained. Mr. Vaz, who was addressing the ministry's press conference at the Halfway Tree Transportation Center in St. Andrew on Tuesday, March the 4th, noted that the fleets of PPV now in operation comprises age unit with more than 90% being over 15 years old. The expansion for the limit for imported vehicles will broaden the affordability options for PPV operators while not compromising safety, as confirmed by the Island Traffic Authority. Mr. Vaz indicated that a new cabinet submission is being drafted and will be presented next week. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.